Snapshot reports are designed to make quick queries of your POS sales data. They are probably most helpful when reviewing sales and inventory performance for small numbers of individual locations and items. You will also find Snapshot is the perfect tool when looking up information for a single store, such as is needed during store visits. Data for the current store can be easily retrieved in just seconds on a mobile phone or tablet computer. There are 5 possible entries or choices to make, although you can often get the information you need with just 2 steps. For instance, I can pull back all the sales by item for one store by simply entering a store number here, and then clicking the week-to-date, week-to-year, or year-to-date buttons. With just that information, Snapshot will return the sales listed by item number. Are you seeing the power and convenience of DijjiReport snapshots yet? Let's do the same thing for an item now. Simply enter one item number here and select a time frame. And now you have sales for the item entered at every store where data exists in the raw data you uploaded previously. You will notice that on each results screen there is a back button that I've been using. Use this whenever you need to return to the snapshot page and enter new location or product data and run the report again. Okay, now let's dig a little deeper into the available functions here. Margin can be provided in item reports by selecting the appropriate approved listing here before a time frame button is selected to run a report. This is not required unless you want to see margin. The last key functionality we need to show you are the grouping options here. The choices are item, location, and show all, and that is how you need to think of these. When you choose item for a report, it will return a separate row of data for each item involved. If you choose store, then it will return a row of data for each store in the report results. And choosing Show All will show a row for each store and item combination in your report. For example, I will run this report with items selected, and here you will see each item has its own row in the report. If I go back and select Location and run the exact same report, we are seeing locations, each on its own row. And lastly, we will run the report again with Show All selected, and we get the largest report of the 3, where each store and item combination have their own row. Snapshot is just one more way that DijjiReport delivers the very best user experience in all of retail. And making data easier to access can only help you and all your company's team members as programs are managed day to day. Please contact us if you have any unanswered questions on this or any other Dijji product. Until then, we know you will find DijjiReport is a product your company will truly love with the information it truly needs.